Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're trading crowded campgrounds for hidden gems, taking the van on a New England road trip, fueled by Harvest Host locations. From Vermont vineyards to coastal Maine breweries, we're exploring the best farms, wineries, and breweries this region has to offer. Now let's load up the van and hit the road. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We are on our way to a Harvest Host here in upstate New York. I can't wait to take you along on the journey. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. If you do, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, do all the things. Now let's get to this Harvest Host. Hey everybody, so I have been hanging out here in the van for a little bit, just kind of cleaning up, getting dinner kind of set up. The brewery where I'm staying at tonight unfortunately doesn't sell food. They will in the future, and they've just got their permits to do that. So I'm just adapting, and here's what I have for tonight's dinner. So here's what I have. I have this New York strip steak. I'll probably just cook one of those. Some mushrooms, and I'm going to cut up an onion, and I'm going to cheat a little bit and just do the loaded instant mashed potatoes. So just drinking some water. But yeah, that's what's going on here. I have the little buddy heater, which is what I use to just kind of supplement some basic heat so I don't have to run the van. But yeah, that's what's going on here. I left my tab open inside the brewery, so I may go in there, have one more beer, close out, and then come out here, make some dinner. It's about 6:24 right now, so have a little time. They close at 9. But yeah, just relaxing. Scout and I did a long hike this morning, so we're both a little bushed. As you can see, she's just kind of chilling out. Got my pots and pans ready over there to cook. And yeah, we're just hanging out here in Vanna. That's the status. Stay tuned for more. Cheers. All right, I got my Starlink up, and I got my cell phone booster up, and yeah, I think I might just make me some dinner. It's about 5:30, 5:37. I could see how this place is just really awesome in the summertime with the green grass, the beer garden, with these views. They're amazing. And I know there's a river behind us that runs along the back of the property. So yeah, the only thing I hate is just mud. It's just making the van just absolutely disgusting. But hey, you know what? It is what it is. So we're gonna make the best of it. We're gonna cook us up a steak. I can't wait, and we're gonna see how it goes. But oh, I feel like we did a long day of driving. Scout's in there, just hanging out. You having a good day, Scout? Yeah, I think she is. We did that hike this morning, which was a really long hike. Catterskills Falls hike. It's a big old bird. So yeah, it's by a noisy road. You can't win them all, but I tell you, the hospitality inside wins me over, and we're glad that we're here. So like I said, I'm gonna get things set up for some dinner, and just try to keep the mud out of the van. So that's my goal, but really happy to be here. So again, stay positive and make the best of any situation, and this is a pretty good situation. I'm gonna start some dinner here. Don't know if I'm gonna videotape all of it, but I have a little program on. I'm watching TV. Really like this brewery. Really small town feel. A bunch of people came in towards the end of my trip in there and just filled up the place. A lot of good vibes. A lot of good people. Highly recommend it. I'm gonna get started on dinner, and I'll show you how it turns out. Alright, so have our mushrooms. I think I'm going to take some of these out. And I got this whole thing, so we'll cook a liberal amount, because I know they're going to reduce in size. Got nothing to lose, so I'm just going to cook it all. Alright, I'm just going to marinate this steak. Looking juicy and delicious. Again, I got nothing to lose, so I may just cook both of them. Just going to pat it down. Alright, I got my spice rack up here. I'm going to take some of this buttery garlic herb. Just going to do that one. And we're going to do Montreal steak for these. Getting these onions and mushrooms nicely sautéed. Okay, looks like the water is about good. Here's my K-bar spork. Definitely it's like college level mashed potatoes. Okay. Now we move on to the steak. Alright everybody, got the dinner all cooked up. Here's what we're having. Looks delicious. Mashed potatoes, onions and mushrooms, and a delicious New York strip. So I'm going to have that with that beer and just enjoy some relaxing time. Catch you back in a few. That was delicious. It's starting to rain outside. We had a great dinner. I say we as in me. Now it's just raining. Sounds like it's raining pretty hard outside, but it's actually very soothing. So I'm just going to watch a little TV, start winding down for the evening. And it's about 8:30 now, so that's on par with my normal schedule at home. The Scout's behind me, just nibbling away at something, but life is good here. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. We're getting all settled in here. The rain on the roof is just sounding really hypnotic and makes me want to go to sleep. Scout has found her spot. I'm just watching some TV and winding down. But I think I'm going to probably go to bed here soon. It's about 9:30. It's a little early, but we had a long day and did a nice long hike today, so I feel pretty good about it. I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning everybody. Scout and I made it really cozy through the night, and the heavy rain that happened throughout the evening and even into this morning was really tranquil. It just made you want to go back to bed, which we did. So it's about 7:30 right now. Just turning on the news, gonna get some coffee going and see what this day brings. Just been drinking my coffee, watching the news, just waking up slowly, and yeah, I think it's about time to shove off and make our way to the next destination. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe if you hadn't already, and post a comment. I'd always love to hear from you. But until next time, happy camping and happy harvest hosting.